Hi, I am here with Igor, Chief Operating Officer of O9 Solutions here at the Gartner conference. Igor, can you tell me what the highlights of the conference were for you?
It was a great conference. I think this is one of the record-breaking attendances, what Gartner told us here, and it's really the premier event for supply chain professionals. I think what the things that are really important, right, is across both retailers, manufacturers, and supply chains. How do they do the digital twins was one of the key topics. I think we've had a great set of conversations at O9 with a lot of different prospects, and I think the resonating theme is that complexity and variability is still increasing, and the companies are looking for solutions to help them manage that. And that's where O9 comes into play.
Awesome. Is there anything specific that you think is the greatest thing for O9 to take away from this week?
Yeah, I think from our perspective, I think what we're seeing is that the market is hot for these types of solutions. I think we've seen companies from US, we've seen companies from Europe and Asia coming, stopping by the booth. And really everybody's talking about, hey, how do I increase my visibility? How can I do better planning? How can I do the scenario and simulations faster and more accurately? So
awesome. Thank you so much for sharing with us.
Thank you. Thanks, Whitney.